BrittanyBearMakeup here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, and then welcome to my channel for the first time. You guys are gonna love today's video because I'm gonna be showing you a review on the KKW Beauty new lip liners and lipsticks. So guys, don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you can be a part of my bear family. Like, share, comment, and as always guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep on watching as I show you guys the new KKW Beauty launch and tell you if it's worth your money.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright Bear Family, I'm so excited to show all of you guys the new KKW Beauty lipsticks and lip liners she is launching. So I'm excited to put these to the test and see which one I think is worth your money and just check out the formula. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this cute little package that all the lipsticks came in. It has the beautiful logo on it as well as all 8 of the lipsticks that she is launching. And they are numbered 1 through 8, 1 being the lightest shade and 8 being the darkest, and they are all beautiful rich nude shades. So each one of these lipsticks retails for $18. I did notice that a MAC lipstick also retails for $18.50, so you do save 50 cents when you're buying the KKW Beauty lipsticks. And I also wanted to show you guys her lip liners. So these are the KKW Beauty lip liners. I went ahead and got 3 in total. These actually retail for $12. So I went online once again and compared it to a MAC lip liner and saw that a MAC lip liner retails for $18. So this is actually a really good price. So I'm excited to show it to you guys and see what you guys think about the lip liners and the lipsticks. So the first lip liner I'm going to be using today is her #1 nude lip liner pencil. This one is called Light True Nude. So I'm going to go ahead and lip line my lips. So right off the bat, I'm loving the color and the way that it's just gliding onto my lips. It's very creamy and very smooth. I'm loving this color and I can honestly say that I would actually just rock this as a lipstick in itself. So the first lipstick in her collection is going to be a light pinky nude, and this is the color right here. It actually looks really beautiful, but I'm almost concerned that it might look too light for my complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and let you guys know my thoughts. Alright guys, so here is the first shade. I have to say that the formula of the lipstick kind of reminds me of a pigmented chapstick a little bit. It definitely has a beautiful pigment to it, but it's so creamy and smooth and hydrating to the lip that I actually don't feel like I'm wearing a really heavy or thick lipstick. As for the color, I was actually surprisingly shocked. I thought it was going to be a little bit too light for me, but I have to admit that this is such a Kim K lip and I'm loving it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and re-outlined my lip using the KKW Beauty lip liner in shade #1. This has become like my new favorite lip liner. Sweet tea, I'm sorry, I might have to replace you for a hot minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the next lipstick. This one says it is a warm light nude, which I'm very curious to see how this is gonna look on my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for you guys. And it goes on so creamy. It is like butter. Butter on the lips, guys. Alright guys, so here is the next shade from the collection. Honestly, I would never see myself wearing like an orange undertone nude lipstick, but I have to admit this one actually looks really pretty. And so far, I'm very impressed with the formula. I think she did a phenomenal job making them creamy, hydrating, and also very pigmented. Alright guys, so it's on to #3. I went ahead and used the same lip liner to show you guys #3. So #3 says it is a mid-tone terracotta. So it's probably going to be a little bit more similar to #2. So let's go ahead and find out. So guys, once again, I would never find myself wearing a color like this, but I have to admit she did an incredible job with the pigmentation of every color. I feel like they're all super nude, but they just have like a little pop of color that will look good on so many different complexions. So honestly, Kim, you did a phenomenal job on this formula. Alright guys, so time to change up the lip liner and try #2 from her collection. So this one says it is a medium warm nude, which I'm very curious to see what this looks like. Alright guys, so let's try it out on my lips. So guys, once again, extremely creamy to apply. I'm loving the color. It actually reminds me of my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner, which you guys already know is like die hard my favorite lip liner ever. So I have to say this would probably be my favorite color of lip liner so far. I know I said that about the other one, but I changed my mind. I'm still kind of trying out the products. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair this with #4. #4 says it is a mid-tone cool nude. So this one definitely has a very cool undertone. I wanna say it's more of like that purpley undertone. So let's go ahead and try it on my lips and see what I think. I just love how creamy these lipsticks are. I feel like my lips are being hydrated while they're also looking poppin' at the same time. Alright guys, I think I just found my new favorite nude of all times. This color is just so gorgeous. I don't think I've ever had a color look so beautiful, so hydrated. I love how it looks like a lipstick, but it also gives you like that glossy feel to it without it being too sticky. Do not sleep on shade number 4. I promise you it might sell out because this one by far is like the best nude color I've ever tried. So, numero 4. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and used my lip pencil once again, shade number 2. The next color we're going to be using is number 5. So number 5 says it is a mid-tone rosy nude. So this one definitely is going to have some pink in it and very beautiful. I want to say it's more mauve-y. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright guys, so here is the next color. For those of you guys who know me, you know that I hate pinks. Like anything that has pink in it, I hate it because I'm not a fan of wearing pinks on my lips. But this one, for having a pink undertone, it's just so beautiful. I feel like the formula does something to the lips that it doesn't matter what color or what shade it is. It just makes it look so amazing. Like honestly, I'm not even just saying this guys, this color is to die for. I'm super obsessed with it. Once again, the formula, everything about it is just like A1 sauce, guys. Alright guys, so this is the last time I'm going to use lip liner number 2. Definitely my favorite, by the way. So if you're wondering so far, this lip pencil and number 4 are like a must, So I'm going to go ahead and try number 6. Number 6 says it's a deep brown nude. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is number 6. Every single one of these lipsticks is to die for. Like I feel like it doesn't matter what shade you choose, they are so beautiful and they just make me feel like so hydrated and luscious. So this is number 6. Let me know what you guys think about this color. I think it is so beautiful. It's a beautiful rich brown. Alright guys, so I'm going to be trying the last lip liner from her collection. This one is number 3 and it says it is a deep brown nude. So I'm pretty sure it's like a really, really rich deep color. So I'm going to try to be careful and not overline too much. Alright guys, so here's the lip liner. Once again, very creamy. This one's definitely a little darker than I normally go for a lip liner. But let's go ahead and pair it with number 7. So number 7 says it's a mocha nude. Ooh, this is a very beautiful, rich chocolate shade. Alright guys, so here's shade number 7. Now we have to admit it is a little bit darker than what I normally wear, but I think because it has so much hydration to it, it actually doesn't look too striking. So I definitely would rock this color. Let me know if you guys like this color in the comments below. I'm really curious to see which one out of the dark ones you guys are feeling. So here is number 7. Alright guys, we are down to the home stretch, the last color from Kim's collection. This one is number 8. So number 8 says that it is a deep chocolate nude. And once again, I paired the lip liner with number 3 from her lip liners. So this one looks actually really dark and almost kind of looks black. So I'm kind of scared to try it, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see what we think. Alright Bear Fam, this has to be the darkest brown lipstick I've ever put on my lip. It almost looks black. I have to say this is probably my least favorite out of the collection, only because I'm not this daring to wear such a dramatic color on myself, but it's not because it is not a beautiful color. I think a lot of people could rock this and it would actually look really pretty. Alright guys, so that concludes today's tutorial. I hope you guys loved today's review. I'm so excited to see what colors you guys are going to be purchasing, so don't forget to comment below. So I have to say, Kim did a wonderful job with this launch. These lipsticks are so hydrating, so beautiful. She definitely came out with a beautiful range for every skin complexion. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give me a big ol' thumbs up, like, share, comment, and as always guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see all of my bear family in the next video. Bye guys!